finish in a good mood. And nothing creates a better mood than your confection. Am I interrupting?
We were just celebrating the anniversary of the twins' first sneezes. Ahem. Just about 1 year ago, there was a tickle in your nose. You snorted through the nursery. Happy sneeze-anniversary. Achoo, achoo, achoo.
Congratulations.